Hey guys, EBPMAN here, and today I'm going to answer one of the questions I've been getting on the channel, and that is, will the AirPods 2 work on the Samsung Galaxy S10, S10 Plus, or S10e? What do you gain, and what do you lose? Let's check it out. Now, yesterday we did an unboxing review and a call quality test on the AirPods 2. One of the questions we've been getting on the channel is, will this work with other phones? And if it works, what do you lose? Are all the features still present? Do you have all the same capabilities? How does it affect audio quality and call quality, given that they're pretty much designed specifically for the iPhone series of phones? So in this video, we're going to answer that question. We're going to talk about call quality. We're going to talk about the audio features. We're going to talk about what are the things that you lose. But hey, there's one thing you gain, and let's get right to it.
Make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap the little bell icon to get notified when new videos become available.
So let's answer the first question. Will the AirPods 2 work on a non-iPhone device? The answer is absolutely yes. And surprisingly, they work really well. So let's start talking about how you do it. So how do you pair the AirPods 2 to an Android device? Well, it's pretty simple. If you just bought them brand new, the AirPods 2, all you have to do is just open them up and they're going to go into Bluetooth pairing mode. If you've already paired them before, so let's say you have an iPad and you've already paired them with your iPad, all you have to do is press and hold this button here until you see the LED flash. It's going to go two colors here. Now, once that's started, what you do is you'll open up the case, and as soon as you open up the case, you will not get the animation on your Android phone indicating that it's open, just like you would with, let's say, the ones from Samsung. But you will be able to see them as a Bluetooth pairable device. And then all you do is choose it, and they're paired. So now let's talk about connectivity. How well do they work? From a connectivity perspective, they connect, in my opinion, as fast as they do on an iPhone. So that H1 chip, the improvements that they've done on Bluetooth connectivity is fast. As soon as you open them up and put them in your ear, bam, they're connected. I like that they give you an audible tone also indicating that they've connected, so you get that feature as well. The Bluetooth range is just as it is on the Apple phone. You don't lose anything there either. So from a Bluetooth perspective, given that these are Bluetooth 5.0, they do extremely well on an Android phone, specifically the S10. Now this feature also makes the AirPods 2 a great companion to a Samsung phone. Let's turn on wireless power share and let's see if that works. Works like a charm. So now there's this killer feature that's only available on Android that makes the AirPods sound not just great, but absolutely amazing. And not only do they sound amazing, but they're going to sound like you want them to sound. And you can't do this on an iPhone. Check this out. So we're going to go into the settings area of our phone, and I'm going to go down to sounds, right? So we're going to go to our sound area. Let's see where we find that over here. Sounds and vibration. And then what we're going to do is go down to advanced sound settings. And then we're going to go into sound quality and effects. Well, one thing that you can't do on an iPhone is adjust your equalizer and set a music preference. So check this out. I can go into equalizer, and I can go here and say normal, pop, classic, jazz, rock, or I could go into custom, and I can customize my hearing experience. So if the AirPods are not bass heavy enough for you, you can adjust that. If you want more mid definition, you can do that too. If you want highs, you can do that too. Pretty much you can make these sound the way you want. Now here's one feature that blows away your experience even further. Not every single person hears the same way. Check this out. You could go into an adaptive setting that's only available on the Android ecosystem like this, that basically allows you to tailor your hearing experience for music and for calls based on your age. So you can say, hey, I am under 30 years old. This is the sound profile for that age group, 30, 60, and you can continue to do this. Or what you could do is you can create a personal setting or modify these settings. So if you have a hearing deficiency in your right ear and you'd like to improve that or increase that, you can adjust it. If you have a deficiency in your left ear, you could do that as well. This makes the AirPods on an Android blow away your experience that you have on an iPhone. At least that's my opinion. Let me know what you think in the comment area below. Now, one of your questions may be, does the Google Assistant work just like the Hey Siri command works? Check this out. What time is it? There you go. It works. So your hey commands do work on Android as well. So that's a big thumbs up. So the next test is the call quality test. So I've simulated a noisy environment around me that's going to simulate either being in a coffee shop or being in an office setting. So the question is, when we switch to the AirPods, how do I sound? Let's do that. Now we're speaking through the AirPods. How does my voice sound to the caller that's receiving the call? Am I clear? Am I above the sound behind me, that noise? Or am I behind the sound? Is it bearable? Can you understand me? Let me know in the comment area below. And by the way, this is on an S10 Plus. So guys, that concludes our review of the AirPods 2 connected to a Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. What do you think? Is it something that you would consider? I'll tell you, in my experience, I'm surprised how well they sound. I'm surprised how well they work on a Samsung device. The only negatives I found so far is the fact that, the design, they come out too easily. The fact that sound leaks in and there's passive noise isolation does not exist on these. But the fact that I can adjust the equalizer, the fact that it works with the Google commands, the fact that you have great battery life and also good call quality is something that you may want to consider. Let me know in the comment area below. Thanks for watching. All right, so the next feature that makes the AirPods 2 a great companion for the Samsung Galaxy S10 or the S10 Plus. Now, the next feature that makes the AirPods 2 a great companion with the Samsung phones is this feature. Let's try the wireless charging and see if that works. So now the next feature that makes the